How to grow marjoram. Marjoram, Oregano majorana, was called the herb of grace by Shakespeare. It's a perennial herb originating from the Mediterranean. In colder climates, it's grown as an annual. Its aroma is similar to that of oregano, but sweeter. Steps. 1. Provide a suitable growing location. Marjoram likes a full sun aspect. 2. Prepare the soil. Light, rich soil is the preferred soil type for marjoram. It likes slightly alkaline, lime-rich soil. The area should be mulched after planting because marjoram has shallow roots. 3. Choose to grow seed or seedling. Seed germination is slow, about 2 weeks. If you grow from seed, keep the seedbed moist during the entire time of germination. Once sprouted, you can water less intensively. If sowing by seed, sow in spring. Marjoram can be purchased as seedlings from most good nurseries. 4. Harvest. Marjoram is best harvested just before the flowers open. 5. Store. Dry the marjoram, its flavor improves with drying. Tips. Marjoram can be used in stuffing, sausages, soups, stews, and with other herbs. Marjoram will grow to about 60 cm, 23.6 in. It has 2 cm, 0.8 in, furry leaves. The flowers are mauve or pink. Things. Marjoram seeds or seedlings. Growing space. Mulch.